पणजेत जाल्लो रोजगार मेळावो ही सरकाराची जुमला बाजी अशें म्हणीत विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान सरकाराचेर टिका केल्या. अशें जर नासत जाल्यार सरकारान ह्या मेळाव्याचो डेटा लोकां मुखार दवरचो. कितले लोक आयिल्ले, कितल्या जाणांक नोकऱ्यो मेळ्ळ्यो हें स्पश्ट करचें अशें युरी म्हणटा.
जे जॉब फेअर जाला आम्ही एक स्टेटमेंट काढलो की द चीफ मिनिस्टर अँड द लेबर मिनिस्टर should give data for the number of people that have applied, the number of jobs that they have got. Confirmation जे दिला ये म्हाका दिसता it has to be out in public. ये म्हाका दिसता ही सगळ्यो जुमलाबाजी. It is a failure. Assembly जेन्ना आमी विधानसभेन एक क्वेश्चन घातलेलें to the labor and employment minister, there was no record of 1,20,000 unemployed youth. Particularly 1,700 were given job on contract basis and roughly about 600 or 700 people were given job on a fixed tenure. So this is just a jumla, absolutely nothing, but we welcome the staff selection committee. See, if you look at overall in the state of Goa, you find engineers from a particular constituency, you find people in the medical field in GMC from one taluka. So this should stop. There has to be accountability, and every Goan, every youth should get the opportunity, and it has to be free and fair. I asked the Honorable Chief Minister, and we welcome that he's announced that the staff selection committee would be there, and it has to be notified as soon as possible.